Hi friends, welcome to my channel Laxsmells31. Hope you are doing well. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe as you always do. Today I am going to talk about pie chart in Tableau. Let's get started. Pie chart is a circular chart that represents the whole data into multiple slices, and each slice can be represented with different sizes and colors. Let me show you how a pie chart can be created and how it is used. I'm opening the Tableau public application and clicking on the Microsoft Excel because my data source is a spreadsheet, and I have the Superstore data downloaded with me. As you all know, Superstore is a free data source provided by Tableau. I'm opening that, dragging orders to the data pane, clicking on sheet 1. I'm clicking on the show me palette. Show me palette is a palette which consists of multiple templates or multiple visualization templates which is provided by Tableau. We have a pie chart template available here, and let's see how a pie chart can be created. To create a pie chart, we need one or more dimension and one or two measures. Let me take a dimension first. I'm taking a dimension called category. I'm taking a measure called sales. I'm bringing it to text, and I'm clicking on the pie chart template here. Now the pie chart is created, and you can see it is of different sizes. Since the data is slightly equal, you may not see much difference here. Let me create another sheet to show much difference. I'm duplicating the sheet here. Taking subcategory, dimension and bringing it to color. Now you see, right, we have multiple subcategories, and the angle and the size of each and every subcategory has been changed. And also I'm bringing the sales to label so that it will display the numbers. We, as per our wish, we can keep it or remove it based on the visualization. In my previous sheet, with the category sheet, if I bring the sales to the label, it looks appealing, like no, the visual is appealing good. And in the another sheet, we have multiple subcategories. The labels are like looking little clumsy, so I'm removing it from label. We can add it to the tooltip so that we can find the values easily. This is how a pie chart can be created. As soon as you create a pie chart, the mark is already changed to pie. So before doing this, there is another way of creating a pie chart. Bringing the dimension to category and bringing sales as well, changing it to the pie in the marks card and dragging the category to color, sum of sales to angle. This way also we can create a pie chart instead of using the pie chart palette provided by Tableau. This is it. Thank you guys. Thanks for landing at my channel Laxsmells31. If you like my video or like my content, please like, share and let me know in the comments what could have been better. And if you have any questions for me, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.